Hi, this is Vishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and your public speaking expert. You know, when I first had a dream of writing a book and becoming a professional speaker, I am actually at the river show, hey. So, when I first had the dream of becoming a professional speaker and writer, I did not get the support that I wanted. For example, from my family, I never got the support that I wanted. And I did not know what to do. I did not have the right way. I still remember the time when my mom said, please don't do this, go back to a job or go to a job, a new job. I still remember my father telling me that, do you think it's gonna be a career for you, Vishal? Why don't you try something else? Why do you wanna be an author? Why do you wanna be a public speaking expert, Vishal? And the answer I always gave him was because that's where I belong. That's where I belong. I belong to public speaking. I belong to changing people's lives through my voice, through videos, through my training programs, through my personal coaching programs. And now, a lot of people get very much demotivated because they are not getting family support. I think you can relate that as well, that many times you did not have family support and you were actually not that much confident. You didn't know what to do. Well, what I say that, at that moment what I did was that I had the faith and kept going because I had mentors and coaches, and with their support I went ahead. And if I look back today to all these years when I did not have the support, now, not only my parents, but almost many people support me. Not only support me, they always want to meet me and have some time with me or share some experiences with me. Why? Because I trusted myself before they trusted me. I trusted myself before they trusted me. The same thing happens for you. There will be some times for you when people are not going to support you. I still remember at one point, one of my family members told my mom that Vishal can never mean to anything. Vishal can never mean to anything. And one person actually said that. And that person today is very much silent because I made him so. How about that? Look, man, at some point of time in your life, you have to show results, not just your mouth, because I think your results are the ultimate way to give answers. Your results are the ultimate way to give people answers. So whoever did not believe in you, whoever did not believe in your vision, whatever the vision is, you want to be a world-class entrepreneur, you want to be an engineer, you want to have fitness chain all over the world, or you want to have a website designing companies all over India, whatever you want to have, whoever did not believe in you, don't tell them answers via mouth, show them answers via results. That's how you get massive amount of trust, because you have to trust yourself before anybody trusts them. Try and trust you. Make sense? I trust you. I want to help you. I want to be a part of your success journey. Go to my website vishalsarkar.com. Let me know what your dreams are. Let me know how you want me to help you. I'm with you 100%. You can count on me. My name is Vishal Sarkar, always reminding you that don't give people answers via mouth. Give people answers via results, because results